Soy sauce chicken isn't just chicken simmered in soy sauce. This Cantonese method creates something that is a lot more complex. Caramel, dark and light soy sauce, aromatics, and spices combine to build layers of flavor. This is how you master Cantonese soy sauce chicken. Let's get started.
Here is what you need for this dish. Chicken drumsticks, sugar, spring onions, garlic, ginger, cinnamon stick, star anise, cloves, and Chinese cooking wine. First, let's prepare the drumsticks. Remove any visible fat from the drumsticks. My drumsticks here are rather small. If you have bigger, fatter, and juicier drumsticks, cut a small slit under the skin at the thickest part of the drumstick. This will help the drumstick cook even faster. Put some water to boil, then blanch your drumsticks for about 1 to 2 minutes. This blanching would help the drumsticks take on the golden color from the sauce. After 1 to 2 minutes, remove and set them aside. To cook, let's start off with the caramel water. In a pan, put in some sugar and oil. Turn the heat up to medium and let the sugar slowly melt. When the sugar is melted, continue to cook it till it reaches a golden amber color. Something like this. Next, carefully add in the water. The caramel will harden. Bring the water to a boil over a high heat to dissolve the hardened caramel. When the caramel has melted, what you have here now is caramel water. Reduce the heat to medium. Then tie up your spring onions and put them into the water. Also add your garlic, ginger, cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. Then add in the Chinese cooking wine, like soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Let the water come to a boil. Next, add in your chicken drumsticks. The water should cover up to about 3/4 of the height of the drumsticks. If there's not enough water, just add more of it. When the liquid has come to a boil, lower the heat to medium-low. Cover and let this boil for about 20 minutes. But turn the drumsticks over every 5 minutes or so that the skin will be evenly colored. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and leave it covered for another 20 minutes. After letting it steep for 20 minutes, remove the drumsticks. Now, let's reduce the sauce. Turn up the heat to high and boil the rest of the sauce uncovered till the sauce is reduced to about half. This will evaporate the water content and concentrate the flavor of the sauce. Skim off any scum that floats to the top. When done, taste and adjust for seasoning. Mine needs a little salt. Next, add in some sesame oil. And give it a good stir. Return the chicken back to the sauce. Look at that gorgeous glaze coating every piece of the chicken. The meat is incredibly tender, while the caramelized exterior gives you layers of sweet and savory depth. Each bite delivers the complex aromatics that we have built throughout the whole cooking process.
And this is how you master succulent soy sauce chicken. The deep dark caramel flavors with layers of aromatics will make this a family favorite at your table. If you enjoy learning simple time-saving recipes, I have more videos that will transform your home cooking. Check out the recommended videos here and create other restaurant quality meals. And I'll see you in my next video.